Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes. I am Shah Faisal Sir here. My dear students, today I am going to give you the complete detailed notes of second language Kannada of class 10th Karnataka State Board. As you can see here, this is the notes of our coaching institute, Evershine Coaching Center. It is managed by Evershine Educational and Charitable Trust. Now I am going to present here the second language Kannada full complete detailed notes for class 10th Karnataka State Board. And still, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe Shah Sir Classes and click the bell icon so that you can find the latest updates and notifications. And try to share these notes as much as possible with your all friends and your classmates. As I have received many comments and also the text through WhatsApp comments, everything like, sir, we are not getting the exact proper notes of second language Kannada. Even we have searched the Google, but still the answers are not correct. So many mistakes are there. So and so was the problems. So that now we are going to give our coaching institute notes, so that we need to help each and every student. As you can see, these are the number of chapters, okay, and this is the number of poems, and this is supplementary reading. Now my dear students, now additional to this, we are going to give one more important thing here. That is nothing but grammar, like ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಯ ವಿಭಾಗ ಕ್ರಮ, ವಚನಗಳು, ಲಿಂಗಗಳು, ವಿಭಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಯ, ಸಂಧಿ, ಸಮಾಸ, ನಾಮಪದ, ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದ, ಛಂದಸ್ಸು, ಪ್ರಬಂಧ, ಪತ್ರ. So I hope you can see these all are the additional things along with your classwork. Here you no need to buy any guide in case if you are going to follow our study material. Now as you can see here, ಗದ್ಯ ಪಾಠ 1 ವರ್ಣಮರದ ಗಿಳಿ. ಇದು ಲೇಖಕರ ಹೆಸರು, ಇದು ಕಾಲ, ಸ್ಥಳ, ಕೃತಿಗಳು and ಆಕಾರ ಗ್ರಂಥ. Children, here we have given in a point ways, but in exam we are supposed to write in a paragraph. Now here, just to make you people to understand, we have given all the key points here which you have to write for Kavi Parichaya. I hope you are understanding. If you want to write the Kavi Parichaya, you are supposed to write in a paragraph wise. Done? Good. Now as you can see, padagala artha, that is meanings, is been given, and then you can see one word question answers, two word question answers, next into hattu vakya, and then sandarbha, okay, and then after that you can see this is the grammar related to this chapter. So this is what I have said you, that the complete detailed information is been given in our regular classwork. Okay, I hope you can see here, and this is ಗದ್ಯ ಪಾಠ 2 ಹಸಿ ಮಸಿ ಕೃಷಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇದು ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಠ ಮತ್ತು ಪದ್ಯದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸು, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಹಾಗೂ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ನೋಟ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ತರಗಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ಗ್ರಾಮರು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಂದ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಾದೆನೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ ವಾಕ್ಯದಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಂದ ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಈ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. So similarly, as you can see here, we have given all the details of each and every chapter, all the following chapters. I'm just scrolling down. As you can see here, are you getting, children? So these are the grammar, letter writing, essay writing, So this is what we have given and here Madhari Prashna Patrike. Actually this is the old notes, because as per your revised reduced syllabus model question paper you can download through our channel only. Okay, and we have given some essays also. Are you getting my point? So this is what the complete detailed notes of second language Kannada. I hope this class is interesting and you have got the complete details about your second language full notes. If you want these notes, I just like to tell one thing. Still, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and try to share these notes with each and everyone, with your friends and your classmates, and also with your juniors. So definitely it will be very much helpful even for them to study for the next academic year. Okay, I mean the upcoming batch. Is this clear? Good. If you like this class, do not forget to click the like button and comment below how was this class and what video you want to make me next. If you want the PDF of these notes, in the below description box we are going to give you the link of this PDF, I mean of this videos PDF. And also through in our Telegram channel also we are going to share the link of this video PDF. If you want second language Kannada notes PDF, you can download it in the same YouTube channel video as what you are watching here. In the below description box we will give you the link. From there you can download it, and also through Telegram channel. Thank you, take care, wish you all the best of luck, keep watching to our channel. Best of luck, bye bye, take care of yourself and be safe at your home. Thank you.